Oh, I got some firewood cut. Well, I broke all that by hand. Used the axe to remove it from the base. And then I just cut those with the saw. Of course, I brought the battery powered chainsaw because why not? It's such a great tool. We'll get the other half of the tree now. Alright, so I dragged this sucker over. I cut all the branches off, cut the top off. So that should be enough wood for the night. Probably more than enough. Get us something to start with tomorrow. Right. Gotta move some. I think I'm gonna light the fire even though it's not cold at all, but the bugs are being extra pain in the ass tonight, so light it down. Move some rocks. I think I'm gonna do a twig fire. I haven't done one of those in a while. Super easy. Alright. Done twig fires plenty of times. Oh, there's a slight breeze. There we go. Just a single bick. See how the breeze is blowing the flames. It looks darker in the view screen than it does out here. Trying to keep the bugs at bay. I don't want to melt my camera, so there we go. We haven't had rain in weeks, or maybe months, so everything is super dry. So I don't need a huge fire. Might be good. I'll set those down. And get back to it. Winchester. BB gun. Let's see. And I missed. Oh, it's just terrible. Ah, that's better. Hit it, didn't fall over though. Nice. Oh, that's kind of funny. The come on, camera. Damn tripod. The we left the fire to burn out last night, but I put this lichen on there. It's already starting to smell me a little bit. It's all right. I'm gonna get our morning fire going. I'm gonna use a couple of matches because I figured, why the heck not? I haven't used a match in a while. Nothing wrong with matches. I kind of just double them up because they're cheapy dollar store matches, so. And of course I had to put the tripod right in front of the firewood. Alright, getting our coals built up so we can get our breakfast going. Then we can sit around and do nothing. Aha. I haven't had this grate out in a really long time, so I thought I'd bring it out to this weekend. But I forgot to bring a wire brush, so I'm just burning off all the crap that's on it. It's been sitting in the shed. Pretty sure I moved in and I just brought it with me. So I've had it for over 5 years. Maybe 7 or 8, I forget now. Breakfast of champions. Burger and hot dog. Hell yeah. That's good living right there. Not with all the people running around. Oh, I should take my 22 out and do some plinking. It's been quite a while and I got plenty of bullets. So.
Well, after you iron that, right?
I haven't been since.
What's that?
I haven't been since.
Well, shoot the shit.
Busy and where's your pootie? All right, so what we did here is we got our Coke bottle set up here, and on top of the lid we have a deer scat. So, you know, we gotta, while we're out here shooting the shit, we're literally out here shooting shit. Let's see if I can plink one off. Well, I hit the can, but I was aiming for the poo. That was just it's a hard shot. Hitting a little dookie like that. Good times.